Good morning. This is for class 101, Metatrader4, the demo account. So this would I'll be teaching you how to trade. So let's say, for instance, I send you a signal, or anyone sends you a signal, and you want to trade on Metatrader4. You will know what to do rather. Okay, now this one here, right here. This is EUR versus USD, which is Euro versus USD, which is United States dollar. In case you see anything like that, you should know what it is. This one here is GBP versus USD, Great Britain pounds versus United States dollar. So that's how it is. This here is a United States dollar versus Canadian dollar, so and so on and so forth. So let's say, for instance, I send you a signal and I say sell EUR to USD. That means sell euro to USD. So what you would do if I send you such signal, what you would do is you would automatically know that this is what I'm talking about. Sell euro to dollar. Do you understand? Once I send you a signal, now this is what you do. You click it. When you click it, you see new order, open chart, symbol properties, simple view mode. Just click new order. Once you click new order, it will bring you down. Now look at beneath. Let me see if this brush thing can. Can't I remove this thing? Okay, beneath here, you see here. Just watch. I don't know why this thing is blocking the screen. You see sell here. You see buy here. You see sell here. Okay, let me remove it now. So if I tell you sell, then what you want to do now is click this sell button. Now at the top here, it is showing you the price you want to sell on. This is 0.02. That is where it is right now. If you want to change it, you can change it. You can add it or reduce it depending on how much you have in your account or how much you have deposited. Let's try and increase it. Once you click this plus, but this plus zero, just be watching. I'll click this point 0.01 now. Let's see what will happen. You see it's increasing. 03, 04, 05, 06, 07, 08, 09, 0.10. That's it will just be going like that. If you click this other one, it will be going you see 0.1. It will increase 0.1, just like that. If you do the minus, it will go down. So depending on how much you want to trade on, so always make sure you watch here first before you click the sell button or the buy button. Whenever I tell you trade, just watch. Make sure you always watch here to know the amount you want to trade with. So let's say for this trading now, we'll be trading with $1. Let's use $1. Let's use $1, which is that's 1.00. That's what you are trading with right now. Now under here, this place, these two places you see. Now let me explain what they are to you. It's called stop loss. This one here is called stop loss, while this one here is called take profit. Because I might send you a signal and I'll say put your stop loss at 1.18940 and put your take profit at 1.18915. I might send you signals like that, but most times I may not send you signals like that. I might just say, okay, I might not tell you to put your take profit. Okay, let me explain what take profit means. Take profit is once I make profit to this extent, let my trade stop. I'll take the profit and I'll go. Stop loss means once I'm making losses to this extent, once it gets to the extent where I put the stop loss, let the trade end. because if you don't put stop loss, most times you might lose all your money in your account, you understand, due to a bad trade, and maybe the thing keeps going down and down and down. You might lose all your money. Do you understand? So most times it's always good to put stop loss and just forget about the take profit, because you might put take profit, and maybe that trade you traded on has the potential to even go higher than your take profit. So most times I don't even put take profit. I just put only take stop loss. Do you understand? And sometimes if you don't want to use stop loss, you can just be monitoring it by yourself. Just make sure your device is in your hands and you're monitoring. So when it's going down below your expectation, you can just end the trade and just close your and just cry. Why I said cry is because just bear with the little loss you made. It's not as if you lose all your money. Do you understand? So that's just it. That's for this class. Now let's buy. We are not putting stop loss or take profit. Let's buy or let's sell. Okay, I used sell earlier. Let's sell. Click the sell button. See, order is open. Now see this minus now, meaning I'm making losses, because it's red. It will show red, meaning I'm making losses. Do you get me now? So once it shows blue, means I'm making profit. So let's just watch and see for a while. So this is basically what Forex is. You trade on currencies. Do you understand? Right now dollar is like 500 naira. Do you get? So that's just it. Those that have those that bought dollar when it was still 300 and something will sell now that is 500 and something. They'll make a lot of profits. Those that saw the inflation from afar coming, they will just run and buy dollar to naira. They will just buy, and you see the increase. Once it increases like that, they are making so much money. So Forex is quite simple. That's why it's easy to make money from Forex, and it's also easy to lose your money from Forex. As you can see now, look at this trade. It's going down. It's going down. Minus $43. That's what you're seeing now. Do you get? So I sold euro to dollar. Do you understand? So let's make another trade. If you want to make another trade, you come here. Don't forget. So click here. Later. You come here. Okay, let's this is one of my best trades. It's not here. Let me add it. AUX. Yes, rather gold, rather. So let's go. So new order. Let's buy gold. This is buy. So not accept this new code. Accept. Let's buy. Do you accept this new code? Yes, I do now. Stop disturbing me. Let me buy again. I accept the code, my sir. Good. Okay, now let's see. So this is basically it. You're trading. Once you're making losses, it's always good you have enough balance. Here, this is my balance. It's a demo account, so you know, $100,000. So no matter the losses you make, it will not cover your balance. So it's always good to have enough. Okay, look at now this. Wow, look at the profit. I love trading on gold. You see this profit? You see? Just watch here. This is it for you. That's why they tell you Forex is instant. You can make losses instantly, and you can make profit instantly. So that's basically it. I'll ask questions. Then what you don't understand, you'd you tell me, so I could also always come back here to show you. So now you know your Xness account is connected to this your Metatrader4 account, so every profit you make here will automatically appear on your Xness account, and you can withdraw straight to your bank account immediately. So for beginners, let me make this clear. Let me use this trade for example. For beginners, it's always advisable you trade on 0.01, because I know most times your initial deposit is not always more than 5,000 or 3,000 naira, like let's say $6 or $10. Do you understand me? So it's not good to now trade with high with an high amount. So it's always good you start low, 0.01. So let's buy. So you see the margin, look at this margin here, because I bought with 0.01. you see the loss I'm even making is still small. So let's say for instance your total balance is $10 that you invested in. If you're making, maybe you made this order and you're making this loss, it's still kind of okay. Do you get? But it will still also affect the amount you make also, because you'll be making small profits. Do you get? Now look at this. Look at this. Can you see? $65 immediately. That's how it is. Immediately you can immediately. Oh, look at. You can just run and come here and say, okay, long press it, rather close order. Close with profit. I've closed. See, I've made the profit. Do you understand? That's how it is. You can just close immediately. Bam. You don't make your profit. You don't come out. So that's that.